Hello, this is part 6, Aim Offset. In this video, I'm going to show how to make an aim offset. And to do that in the animation blueprint, I add this blueprint, and in the anim graph, I add this section. I added the aim hip animation sequences and the aim offset. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Common, Animations, right-click and create new folder, and create the aim hip folder and the aim offsets folder. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, drag aim space hip over to aim hip and copy here. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Common, Animations, Aim Hip, you want to duplicate aim space hip 9 times. I've already duplicated it 8 times, so I'm going to show you how to duplicate the last file. Right click, aim space hip, and duplicate. And when you're done, you should have created these 9 files. Now you need to rename the 9 files that you duplicated. The aim space hip file is not renamed, so rename the files as shown here. aim h underscore lb, aim h underscore lm, aim h underscore lt, aim h underscore mb, aim h underscore mm, aim h underscore mt, aim h underscore rb, aim h underscore rm, and aim h underscore rt. Now I'm going to show you how to edit the 9 files as shown in this table on the right. So we'll start with the aim-h-mm file. So double click aim-h-mm. So the start frame is 0. So we go to front, and then the start frame is 0, so we don't increase the frames at all because it's on 0. And then we remove frames 0 to 0, so there's nothing to do there. And then next we remove frames 1 to 87. So we right click here until we can get remove frames 1 to 87, and then select that and save. And then close that. Now we're going to do aim hmt, this file. So we double click on aim hmt. Now we start on frame 10. So we go to front, and then we go to next till we get to frame 10. See, it says 10 here. That means you're on frame 10. And then first we remove 0 to 10, shown here, 0 to 10. So we right click on here until it says remove frames 0 to 10, and then we remove frames 1 to 78. So we right click here until it says remove 1 to 78, and then we save that and close that. Okay, next we're going to do Aim HMB. So here is Aim HMB, so double click that. Okay, so first we're going to go to start frame of 20. So go to front and then go to next until you get to frame 20. So you see it says 20 here. Now we're going to remove frames 0 to 20. So highlight here, right click until you have remove frame 0 to 20 shown here, then select that, and then we're going to remove frames 1 to 68. So right click here until it says remove frames 1 to 68, select that, and save that. Okay, now use the same procedure and do the next 6 files using the same procedure. Highlight all 9 files at once and right click, select Asset Actions and bulk edit via Property Matrix. Expand additive settings and change additive admin type to mesh space. Change base pose type to selected animation frame. Change base pose animation. Search for idle. Select idle rifle hip. Then go to File and Save All and close this. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, UE4 Mannequin, Mesh. Right click UE4 Mannequin Skeleton, Create, Aim Offset. I'm going to name this UE4 Mannequin Skeleton Aim Offset 2D Hip. Drag this over to Aim Offsets. Move here. Double click UE4 Mannequin Skeleton Aim Offset 2D Hip. Expand horizontal and vertical axis. Enter these values. Yaw, minus 90, 90, pitch, minus 90, 90. Notice that this is none here. I'm going to drag in the assets. This is left bottom. Now this is filled in, idle rifle hip. This is left middle, This is left top. This is middle bottom. This is middle middle. Middle top. Right bottom. Right middle. And right top. Now you can move this green cursor and test the animations. So make sure that you have idle rifle hip here and save this and close. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Common, Animations, double-click, ABP, UE4, ASP, Hero TPP, double-click Anim Graph, then drag in UE4 Mannequin Skeleton Aim Offset 2D Hip, right-click on yaw and promote to variable. Name this Aim Yaw and right-click on pitch and promote to variable. Name this Aim Pitch. Now connect this to here and connect this to here and compile and save and close that. Double click ABP, UE4, ASP, Hero TPP. Go to the event graph. Right click on delta time X and promote to variable. Name the variable delta time X, then drag this here and drag this here and compile and save and close that. Double click ABP, UE4, ASP, Hero TPP. Now I'm going to show how to program this Aim Offset blueprint here. It's connected here and here to this node. Connects to here, and then it's connected here, which is you have to add a pin to this node, pin 2, and then it's connected here. Now I'll show the blueprint. This is minus 90, 90, and minus 90 and 90. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. Now when you move the gun left and right, you'll see the legs stay in place and the gun moves. So you can also move the gun up and down. So now when you shoot, it will look like you're pointing the gun towards what you're shooting at. So it's working the way it's supposed to.